We call this a side of lean in Kinston where I come from, but it is literally like a chunk they cut out of the damn side of a pig. You cut this shit into chunks, throw in a pan on like 3 or 4 or something, and we're just gonna melt this fat down until it gets nice and sexy. After you wash your collards, this is the most important part. You see the spine? This needs to be cut out or your collards are going to be stringy and someone's going to know that a noob cooked them. Once you have all the spines cut out, you're going to take some leaves, lay them on top of each other, then you go roll them shits up and cut them up. The pork fat should look something like this. See how it's getting all melty and sexy? Once it gets nice and brown, you get to add a Southern person's favorite ingredient, butter. This is why Southern people all have heart attacks at 55. But anyway, now you throw in your collards. And we're going to add enough water to cover them bitches. My next favorite ingredient, salt. All the damn salt. And then you are going to cook these guys to fucking death. Okay? Progress. And this is what it looks like when we're done. I added potatoes so there's more like heartiness, but I'm gonna eat a huge bowl of this for dinner.